Hi guys, Natalie here at the Air Zoo again with another fun activity for you guys to do inside. So this is a little marble maze that we're going to be making here. So what you need for this marble maze is you need a plate with a lip. It doesn't have to be any specific styrofoam paper or anything like that, as long as it has kind of an edge or a lip to it. You're also going to need some scissors, some straws, nothing special about the straws, just some straws that you'll be able to cut up, some Scotch tape. And then for our marbles, we're actually using these little pom-poms, but you can use whatever you actually have around your house, whether it be these little pom-poms or an actual real marble or anything round that you can use for your marble maze. And then also some construction paper too, in case you want to get creative and make some arches and things like that. And then a Sharpie might be handy to have as well. So we're going to start off with an empty plate just like this. And if it's easier for you to draw out your maze first, you could totally do that. That's why I have a Sharpie. So if you want to draw out your maze first, you can do that. Or you can go totally freehand and just use your blank plate. But I'm going to start actually with this drawn maze here. And now we're just going to be cutting these straws so to kind of make the edges of our maze. So we're just going to kind of start building with our tape and our straws the edges of our maze. So just use a little piece of tape to kind of secure that straw on there. Oops. And then I'm going to cut one for the other side. Oh, there goes my straw. A little too long. There we go. And actually, I think I need a longer piece of tape. You want that straw to be nice and secure on there, so that your marble or whatever you're using for your marble doesn't kind of move those walls. So for example, this one's a little wiggly. I'm going to add a little bit more tape. There we go. And then I'll do just a couple more to kind of show you how we're going to continue here. And you can mix it up with fun colors of straws, but if you just have plain straws, those will totally work. Like I said, nothing special about the straws you need for this activity. You could also use paper straws if that's what you've got at home too. So what you'll want to do is continue with these walls making your maze. And then if you want to get creative with it, you can also cut some strips of construction paper and make little arches, things like that. You could make obstacles if you want to try to do that as well. For example, if you want to make a little hill, or you could make, let's see, if we make kind of a little column that we can kind of tape in there. You could also make little obstacles like this that the marble kind of has to move around to make it a little bit more complex. You could also make dead ends like I have kind of proposed right here with my drawing. But once you fill it all up, if you want to draw arrows of the direction that your marble should go, you could do that, or you can leave it freehand. And then basically you'll use your pom-pom or marble and kind of tilt the plate to get your marble to get through the maze. Oop, and then sometimes it will kind of jump the walls a little bit or even jump off the plate. But that's the fun of it. You can make this maze as complicated or as easy as you want. You could even get those oval giant picnic plates to make it even bigger, make fun things like that. Like see here I have my arches. So you can make it as creative, as complicated, as easy as you want. And then spend time trying to get that marble to the end of your maze. But that's it. That's pretty easy. A lot of endless fun with this one. You can compete with your siblings to see who can get to the end of their maze first, or make the coolest, craziest maze and then swap with your siblings to see if you can get through their maze. But a lot of endless fun with this one. Until next time, see you later, guys.